prayer and plants. How do we put these things together to manifest changes, have our prayers answered, and live our best life? Hi, I'm Elemi. Welcome back to your spiritual home, Yeyeo.com. On this channel, we talk about spiritual lifestyle, everyday rituals, ancestors, and African spirituality. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, today we're going to talk about, before we talk about that, I got to shout my people out. I want to shout out. All my people from the Gullah Islands. Woohoo! Welcome. Today's video I wanted to share with you because some of you have put it in the comments that you want to see a video about this. Two, we've talked about this kind of loosely in some videos about manifestation and intention. So today's video is about prayer and plants. How do we put these things together to manifest changes, have our prayers answered, and live our best life? So let's get started. I have lots of plants. I'm a plant mom. And so this video is for people who are plant lovers. Some people call us plant moms, plant dads. It doesn't matter. This video is for anyone who loves plants, has plants in their home, loves nature, loves to go out and experience the divine that way. If you pray and you love plants, this video is for you. If you are not sure about how to pray, I'm going to show you one method in this video that you can do in your home or in nature. So we're going to talk about plants, manifesting, growth, and positivity. So many people have this idea of, manifesting. I don't know about you guys. When this term first came out, I was like, what do they really mean? What are they really getting at? And if you're a person who you like to meditate, or you do your affirmations, or I call them affirmative prayer, then this kind of video is perfect for you. This work today is actionable, and people who either follow me, take trainings with me, read with me, know that I'm all about action. But what's the action that's going to bring forth a change in life for breakthrough, for goodness, for happiness, for health, well-being, money, career, love, energy? I mean, we'd be here all day, right? So when we're thinking about prayer or manifesting a change, that is what prayer is. Prayer is used as an offering. It's used as a giving. It's used as a request to achieve something, right? Even if it's just to achieve peace, well-being, a new job, a new place, movement, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to show you today some ways that you can use things that are in your environment that the divine has already put here for you, me, and all of us to use to manifest a change. So let's get started on this exercise today. You're gonna love it. So here we have one of the Spirit in You candles, which are just fantastic. This one is an I Am candle. Very, very powerful. It has a prayer here that comes with it, but this one is a pull-out, which I really love. You can put your picture in here. You can write on the candles, and if you'd like me to do a video with this particular I Am candle, we'll see if we can do a quick video with how to use this candle in doing manifestation work, writing on the candle. Really, really fantastic. All right. And so this goes along with this video because it's all about you. This is a light work video, and this is a light work candle. So I'm using this plant in particular, I like trailing plants. This one you can find almost anywhere. We've seen this one in particular. I don't remember the name of it. I don't know if it matters. You pick the one that works for you. But it needs to be a hardy plant that is all year round. If you'd like me to do a video with bamboo, I'll also do a small one with bamboo, similar work. Bamboo is a whole different vibration, whole different type of work. But this plant trails, which is nice, or it needs to be a plant that grows really robustly. And again, this is light work. So what does that mean? You're not going to use a plant to manifest or to work on anything negative. It's just not. It goes against nature. It goes against the rules of flourishing. And these are universal rules. So you want to stick to work that's positive, whether it be for yourself, for someone else. But this is a work that if you're going to say to someone, hey, why don't you do that? It needs to be for a very specific goal. As an example, stability at work. That's a very specific thing. It's very to the point and very clear, right? Plants are about stability. They're about growth. They're about life. They're about flow. They're about multiplicity, nurturance, abundance, prosperity, breakthrough, revitalization, rejuvenation, renewal. I mean, we'd be here all day, right? So again, these are positive things, not things to hex, destroy, or to harm, right? Because if not, then how's the plant going to grow well if we're talking about things that are harmful and that are negative? So as an example, let's say we're going to just write it. You write your name. In this case, let's just say Yeyeo Botanica is happy, stable, and making my goals. So I'm just using the word Yeyeo, right? But for you, you'd put your name is making a stable impact at work, right? Or is making a happy home with, right? I think you get the gist. Thank you. Anyone who works with me knows that thank you, thank you, thank you is a big part of my work. Of course, I don't have my glasses on. All right. So after you've done that, it can be on one narrow piece of paper, and I wanted to just give you that example. So if you were doing this work, this can be on shreds, which I actually like, but I'm doing both for the sake of the video so that some of you who are like, oh, well, can I roll it? Can I this it? Can I that it? You can do whatever you like as long as it works for you. So you can have the whole thing on here as an example, right? All right, so as an example, if you were going to do this in shreds, which I love, versus something like this that's rolled. And so the rolled one, I'm going to show you how you use that, and the strip one, how you use that. So I, Elemi, you can write out your whole name, am successfully starting my new business. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So you can make this as long as you want, right? In this case, I had a short piece of paper. I'm just showing you really quickly. So you write whatever you want. Notice it's a very succinct, to the point line. I'm starting it. I'm doing it, right? So it could be business, it could be a new job, it could be working out, whatever it is that you choose to put. I'm an entrepreneur, and I've been an entrepreneur all my life, so I'm always about a business. So now, I'm going to fold this. And now I'm going to show you I like using vines, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So this is a trailing plant. So you pick any part that's trailing that you feel comfortable with. I rather not use the end. I like to use from closer to the root, right? So I'm just going to locate that part. So we're here as an example. And then I think that it's best, and we were having a conversation about this work. I personally think it's best to keep the same thing. And if you'd like to see an advanced version of this, we definitely can do that. And I can do that in a live. I'd love to do it in a live. But this, I would say, needs to be the same thing all over this plant. Maybe you could do 3 things. I wouldn't do more than that because I know some of you all like to do extra, read all about it. So here we go. You can use ribbon. This is my Christmas ribbon that I love to use because of the colors. You can use tape. You can use twine. Whatever it is that your heart desires. And I'm going to use a little bit of twine for the other part. And in this case, we're going to use red. So, if for the interest of the video, you would tie this up, right? Or you can get a wider one. For me, because I want to just give you the visual, and it's a little time consuming to do the tying off during the video, I'm just going to show you my kind of cheat sheet version. And I've got a sweet thing for you. I've got a sweet thing for you. So if you're a person that you have any plants in your home that grows fruit, perfect to use for this work. But if not, totally fine. Look at that. People come to your house, nosy people come to your house, so just think that you're taking care of your plant, and you can say, "Oh, it's just fertilizer." Yeah, fertilizer with your prayers, right? All right. So here's the other part. And so again, it's 7 of these all over the plant. This is why I say that it's best just to put 1 request per plant. And then once you've achieved that goal, you can cut it off and you can bury it in the plant, or you can take it to the park, woods, wherever, right? So here we have this one. Let's say you're at home, you're making your prayer, and then if you can tie it. I'm just showing you examples. And if you want to see works like this that are really, really impactful, I've got tons of them on yeyeo.com where you can watch. This one I thought, I love you guys so much, and I want to see you live your best life and win, win, win. So this is why I'm showing you this in a video on our channel. So we've got this. So now we're going to incorporate the water element, right? Because nothing grows without cool, fresh water. And so this plant in particular, I'm using it for the video because as you can see, it's parched and it's dry, and it's time for the plant to be watered. But if you're really advanced and loving my work, you're going to really understand what we're doing today. So we're watering the plant, right? Make our prayer and plant it down in the plant. All right, so we're putting it all the way down in the plant. You stick your finger down there if you want, right? And then we cover it. Again, this plant is parched and really needing water. So I'm going to be watering it a little bit over the next 3 days. That's the sweet thing for this video. Watering it a little bit over the next 3 days. Sweet thing. What did I say? Water it a little bit and make your prayer over the next 3 days. And then every time you make your prayer, hopefully you'll remember what this particular plant was all about. Sometimes I tell people, another sweet thing, is to put a little piece of tape here and write what this plant is about. So you can take the tape, write it on the bottom here. So every time you see it, I, Elemi, am enjoying starting my new business. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You write whatever it is that you want. See, the phone is ringing. That already says we're right on point, right on point. So I hope that you got some ideas. We've got 7 of these. In this case, I use red. You can use gold. You can use green, whatever color you choose, whatever vibrates for you. Berry, that's another method. I like to do both. That would make 8. And this will be your plant for manifesting dreams and aspirations in life and getting to the point. So in this case, I'm going to give a little bit of smoke because spirit travels in smoke. Boy, I'm really sharing some stuff with you guys today. And then I put, bam, right there inside my plant. If you're a person that you're not into incense, then you don't need to do that. But I'm into incense, sell incense here at Yeyeo Botanica, and we love incense, every kind of incense. So we've put it in the plant. Good luck to you. I love you all, and I know that you're going to see major results in doing this. If you've ever done any work like this, definitely comment below and share with me any more ideas that you may have of things that we've discussed in videos that you think would make a great video for all of your fellow subscribers and people who are part of our wonderful spiritual family. I love this kind of work. I love this type of work. Why? Because it doesn't matter what your religious background is, where you come from, your age, education, philosophy. Plants are growing everywhere. We eat plants, right? If you eat spinach, you're eating a plant, right? So plants are everywhere. Herbs are everywhere. But in this video, we really went through a typical house plant. And I hope that you consider this work today for some things that you really want. Because in life, nothing grows, as Orishas say. They say, if the rain doesn't fall, the corn won't grow. So this is an Odu in the Yoruba faith, and so I implore you to think about that. If the rain doesn't fall, if you don't water the plant, nothing's going to manifest. And your life is the plant. So I see you next time. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Definitely share it with others. Give me a thumbs up and hit the bell to stay in the know. And of course, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.